What's going on, everybody? I thought today we'd do something a little bit different and open up some Lorcana cards. Let's get this started. So before I get into the pack opening, I just want to give a big shout out to my friend Mike and his mom for giving me a couple packs for Christmas. Really appreciate that. Let's get into it. It's crazy because for so long I could never find any, and they're always sold out. Let's go. We got Mickey. We got Mufasa. We got Pongo. Got a Simba. We got the wardrobe. We got Beast Mirror. The Shield of Virtue. Befuddle. Mother Knows Best. Do It Again. We got Marshmallow. And then we got Cut to the Chase. This one's like the hollow. It's kind of cool to see these. It's like something brand new. Kind of like when you first got Pokemon. Goofy. Hakuna Matata. Magic Broom. Stampede. We got the Goons. We got LeFou. We got the Frying Pan. We got another Shield of Virtue. We got Maurice. Got a cool looking Dr. Facilier. Then we got like a hollow Pongo. Has anybody else got their hands on some Lorcana? Have you found anything cool, anything rare? Let me know down in the comments. Alright, we got Minnie Mouse. We got a Dingle Hopper. Archimedes. We got Tinkerbell. We got Merlin. Got Aladdin. Got the Cheshire Cat. Got Belle. You Have Forgotten Me. Got the Lantern. Got Mother Gothel. And this nice cool hollow. I don't know if you can see that shine. Got friends on the other side. Got another Mickey Mouse. Magic golden flower. Ooh, got a nice looking scar. That's nice. Got a Timon. Ooh, I haven't seen this one before. A Hercules. Got Ariel. Got Kronk. Got a Cut to the Chase. If it's not a Baroque. Tamatoa. And ooh. Looks like this is like a hollow Maleficent. That's nice. Down to the last 2 packs. Starting it off with a Mufasa. We got Pongo. Another Simba. Wardrobe. We got Aladdin. Ooh, Tinkerbell. Another You Have Forgotten Me. Oh, I haven't seen this one. We got a Lilo. We got Moana. We got a Stitch. We got another Mother Gothel. And like a hollow Kristoff. Got the last pack. Let's see if we can pull a legendary something good. Or maybe an Enchanted. Have not seen an Enchanted in person. So maybe we could pull one. That one was hard to pull open. Let's see if we can get something good. Merlin. Aladdin. Simba. Scar. Jafar. And last but not least, we got a hollow Healing Glow. Going to do a little quick recap. Let's go. All right, to do a recap, I'm gonna go over the cards that we got that I thought were pretty cool, based off like the rarity and stuff like that. So here we go. So we got a common, like hollow Kristoff. Kind of hollow Pongo, a common. Another common hollow. Healing Glow. And common. And then we got a cut to the chase, a uncommon, hollow. And then next up we got the rares. We got Stitch. We got Do It Again. We got Maurice in the rare. I like this card right here. We got Dr. Facilier in a rare. We got the Lantern in the rare. We got Mufasa. We got Jafar. If it's not a broke. This one's pretty cool. We got a hollow rare. Maleficent. And these are the super rares. We got a double up of Mother Gothel. We got this Tamatoa. And last but not least, Marshmallow. Well, that's going to do it for this card opening. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments. Have you been collecting Lorcana? What's the best pool you got? And if so, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.